This video will demonstrate picking a transfer request pick list in SAP Business One using Agility 360's directed picking. I'm going to be picking this pick list 419 with one transfer request on it. I'm going to open up my emulator here that shows what Agility 360 would look like on a mobile device and select my directed picking app. This app can handle sales orders, transfer requests, and production orders. Now I'm going to enter in my pick number of 419. Now I'm going to scan the item FD1523 and the correct bin of 05A1-1 and enter in the correct quantity of 2. Now you'll see my pick list is fully picked. We can jump back to SAP here and refresh the pick list. And now it is picked in the SAP system. Thank you for watching.